Hi guys, I thought I would show you how to change a hyperlink or a link into a word or title. So right now I'm in that remote learning virtual online resources document where we have been adding different songs based on categories. So again, all the categories are down here at the bottom. So if I find a song, so let's say I find this Do You Like Pudding song, you can either copy the link up here and you can press Command C, or you can go to Edit, Copy, or you can click Share and that gives you the link too. So those are two options. And then you can copy or again Command C the link. So when I go back in, that was kind of a speech-based song. So I can look for that speech labeling tab, and I can Command V, or again edit, paste the link right in there. So I can put a title, and right now it just shows the hyperlink. So what you can do is you click that, and as you can see, a little pencil shows up that says Edit Link. When you click Edit Link, you can type a text. So I'm going to write song. Let's say that I found something on ABC. Yeah, that was an activity. Again, I can click the link, click the Edit Link pencil, and change the text to activity. Same thing if you find a link to a worksheet. Put the link, pencil, edit link, and you can put worksheet. So that is how you can change those titles so that they're not a hyperlink, and so that we can differentiate if it's a song, an activity, a worksheet, etc. Any questions, let me know.